So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very, very special guest with us today. Her name is Sriraksha. She's 29, IT professional from Mysore, Karnataka. And the challenge that were reversed is bloating and acid reflux gone with diet and therapy. She has gained some weight, 2 kgs in 3-4 months. PMS, premenstrual syndrome, reversed completely. Hormonal imbalance started with regular 26-day cycles without cramps. Deficiency of B12 and vitamin D reversed. Low metabolism improved within 3 months, within 3 weeks with proper digestion. Other improvements, better lifestyle choices for food, right? Quality sleep, able to focus more on work, feels more energetic till end of the day, and skin texture improved. So this magic was done by nutritionist Akshata Chauhan, Akshata Dhankani, and dietitian Kajal Gala, right? So I'll come to the coaches shortly. Let's start me with Sriraksha. So Sriraksha, over to you. How has been your journey? Yeah.
Hello everybody. Good evening. First of all, I would like to thank Akshata ma'am, Kajal ma'am for being there throughout the journey, health journey from past 4 months. And coming to my health issues, I was struggling with maintaining constant energy throughout the day, and I used to be very inactive, very lazy, and I don't know what it is, like a lot of fatigue. And I used to visit different physicians for not being able to find solution for my problem. They used to prescribe me with supplements and all that thing. And then I used to never find the solution, proper solution. Then I used to get back to same old thing: fatigue, laziness, headache, nausea. I was not able to, I was so intolerant to so many foods. And even outside of the home, even cooked home cooked meals also, I used to be so intolerant. After eating a lot of foods, I used to feel bloating, stomach ache, all that thing. Then I came across Go Nature, and I enrolled here. That was the best decision I made so far. In one of the best decision. And low vitamin D, vitamin B12, all that. And shortness of breath, especially that. And hormonal imbalance and all that. So from 2 months, I am now fully energetic, very lively. And I'm this energy and all that
Yes,
liveliness
we
is
can see
so
that.
consistent.
We can see that from your
Yeah,
happiness.
it's
Amazing.
yeah it's so consistent. And I mean, increased energy levels, and but better digestion. All my deficiencies completely gone. Now
Amazing.
I'm normal. Yeah. And I really want to thank you, Vishal sir, for this opportunity. I'm really fortunate and blessed to have found this Go Nature community. And Akshita ma'am, Kajal ma'am, for their tips. They've been throughout my journey, like, so motherly and sisterly. I can't thank enough. Without them, my health goals wouldn't have been possible to achieve them.
Amazing.
I'm really, really grateful.
Well
Yeah.
done, Sriraksha. More power to you. Heartiest congratulations.
Yeah.
So thank you for elaborating,
Yeah.
your experience. So I'll come to the dietitian
Yeah.
Kajal. So Kajal is the first person Go Nature, collaborated as a team. So Kajal, over to you. If you can please unmute yourself. I think you are traveling. Yes, I think she's traveling and some internet issues. I'll come to Akshata in the meantime. So Akshata, how was the journey with Sriraksha?
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Journey
Akshata.
with Sriraksha.
Yes. Please.
Yes, sir.
Please. Yeah, speak.
Okay, sir. Journey with Sriraksha was awesome. Being IT professional, she was very busy. We used to adjust with her how to communicate, how to call her, and we have to explain her all the things. But she was always positive, and whenever I used to ask her, "How are you?" she used to say, "I'm going good, man." And this positive statement from her side every time send the positive message in the universe. And this shows that universe the positiveness.
Amazing.
you very much, Sriraksha, for following our guidance. And thank you, Vishal sir, for giving us this opportunity.
Thanks to you, Akshata Kajal, the way you have done it. So more power to you. So congratulations, Sriraksha, and long way to you. Keep yourself fit always. You know, it's not to be seasonal. You know, even if the plan is over, you know how to live a disease-free life. Yeah. Thank. No problem. No problem. So yeah, amazing case study of Sriraksha. Well done. Maza aa gaya. Yeah. So yeah, over to you. How you felt?
Yes, Shri Raksha, if you can see everyone, her age is very young. Okay. And in this generation, people are somewhere connected to social pressure, social media, due to which they opt for very much hard and fast lifestyle. But they want quick results. But Shri Raksha, in her individual personality, being an IT professional, she chose naturopathy as her healing pathway, which is a wonderful decision. And overall, she didn't allow any other person to overcome with her thinking, where, just take medications is a very simple solution. And she opted this difficult option, difficult because of the pressure. Otherwise, it's very easy to follow this very wonderful results without any health issues, without any other side effects. Naturopathy is the thing she understood, and she followed 100%, gave her 100%. Work profile was very hectic. Then too, she followed each and every possible therapies and each and every possible diet related terms, and she got the result. She's being very happy. Otherwise, she's slightly shy for this talk, but she came up, she talked about it, which is very grateful of her. Thank you so much, Sri Raksha, for being there and trusting us and trusting Go Nature. And thank you for motivating us all.